Right. Yeah. Another cigarette burning in my ashtray. Same bill collector still calling me from last week. They riding on my back and now I'm feeling like a taxi. Feeling how I'm feeling. If you feel like you gon' ask me. Preacher man on the TV trying to sell me some hope. I need it, I know, but in a healthier dose. Addicted to the spitting and I should've left it alone. Struggle to break the surface, but these methods are old. I tried everything, but that medicine was a must. They had everything, but they never did what they loved. The evidence was enough. Your second win was abrupt. They thought they wanted it all, but it isn't enough. Cause in the long run, your life only plays out until the song's done. My daddy tell me hold it down while I'm gone, son, but what he gon' done? So many choices, it's not my fault. You picked the wrong ones. I keep thinking it's me, you keep thinking I'm right, and he eventually sees he's doing things out of spite.